Hello everyone. This is Anjana of 201 roll number from Tabli department. Today I am going to give a video presentation about different categories of algorithm. Different categories of algorithm. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a finite step-by-step set of instructions designed to perform a specific task or to solve a problem. Think of it as clear, precise recipe for a computer. It has clear start and end. Each step is simple and unambitious. It takes zero or more inputs. It always produces an output. So, what are different types of algorithm? There are three fundamental algorithm structures, that is sequence, selection, and repetition. First, sequence. Steps are executed one after another in a specific linear order. Selection means a choice is made, a different path is taken based on the condition. 3. Repetition. A block of code is executed multiple times until a condition is met. Next, we will discuss deeply about sequence algorithm. Sequence algorithm. What is sequence algorithm? A sequence algorithm executes instructions in a fixed order. Each step is performed one after another. Example of sequence algorithm is adding two numbers. First, read A, read B, compute C is equals to A plus B, and output is equals to C. The flowchart of sequence algorithm is start to input and next process and next output and the last end. What are the applications of sequence algorithm? Basic arithmetic operations, and second, sequential data processing and step-by-step instructions in program. Key features. What are the key features of sequence algorithm? Simple and straightforward, no branching or looping, ensures deterministic output. Next we will discuss about selection algorithm. What is selection algorithm? An algorithm that makes a choice based on condition, executes different set of instructions depending on true or false condition. Common in if else, and nested decision structures. If and else conditions are categorized under selection algorithm. Next, what are types of selections? Simple selections means if, double selections means if else, multiple selections means if else or ladder. Next, nested selection. General structure. What is the general structure of selection algorithm? First, start. Second, check a condition. Third, if a condition is true, execute block A. If condition is false, execute block B. Next, continue to next step. Last N. What are what is the example of uh, selection algorithm? Find largest of two numbers. Step 1, input A and B, and step 2, if A greater than B, output A is larger, else output B is larger. Next N. See, here we use if condition or else. Next, what is the flowchart of components? What are the flowchart components? Decision box for conditions, arrow showing yes or no paths, and process blocks for action and start or end blocks. Applications. Decision making in programs, validation and checking rules, data comparison tasks, and control flow in real time systems. Next, we will discuss about repetition algorithm. Next, we will discuss about repetition algorithm. What is a repetition algorithm? An algorithm that repeats a set of instructions used when a task must run multiple times and common in loops for while. And here, iteration mechanism is used. If the statement is written in iteration block, it will execute for given number of times. What is the general structure of repetition algorithm? First, initialize variables. Second, check condition. And third, execute repeated statements. And four, update variables. And five, repeat until condition fails. What is the example of repetition algorithm? For example, sum of first n numbers. Step 1, input n. Step 2, set sum is equals to 0 and I is equals to 1. Step 3, while I is less than or equals to n, sum is equals to sum plus I, and I is equals to I plus 1. And step 4, the output is sum. What are the flowchart components? First, start or end symbols as usual, and loop condition, that is decision box, that is iteration block. And next, process box for repeated tasks, and loop arrows showing repetition. What are the applications of repetition algorithm? Repeating calculations, data processing, searching and sorting, and simultations. Thank you for giving this opportunity.